So Matt called us, said that he's got a stuck car on my side of the hill, so we're gonna go out and pull him out, just stuck in the sand. Shouldn't be a big deal. We'll go hook onto him and tug him out, get him on their way. Alright, we're about done with the paved road driving. Missed the dang road we were looking for. We're gonna flip around. There we go. That's the one we were looking for. We might as well get out, turn the hubs in, and hello. I am. This sand's pretty soft right now. We'll get the hubs turned in. Well, you ready to go get it?
Yeah, sure.
How many are still at the car?
My husband and 2 kids.
Okay. So you made the walk out.
Yeah.
Oh, lucky you.
Yeah. The sand is pretty miserable.
Yeah, when it hasn't rained, this stuff's horrible. Yeah, it's not fun to walk in. Yeah, this sand's pretty deep right now. We're probably gonna have to let some air out of these tires.
How many people are asking in this area?
Get stuck here?
Yeah.
Or a bunch. This hill right here, it gets a lot of people stuck. If it's rained, you can drive right down here.
Yeah?
It's crazy. This sand, but it hasn't rained in a while, so it's super soft. All right, we'll figure this out. Here, you can put the keys in. We'll pull it backwards first, and then turn it around. We're gonna let a little air out. This stuff is soft. Alright, we better get a rope out. Just got this goodie bag the other day. Now I got all the cool stuff from the old Yankum. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull you backwards up here.
Okay.
And you just turn and pull that way, and then I'll hook to the front of you, and we'll.
Okay, so you will pull me back.
Yep, I'll pull that way, and you just kind of turn as much as you can until we can get your car to turn, and then I'll turn around, hook to the front of you.
Okay, but you will pull me, right?
Yep, I'll pull you.
And I will do this.
Yep, exactly.
And then I stop it. Okay.
Yep, and then I'll hook to the front of you, and we'll take
Oh,
off.
got it.
I'll get it, man. Okay. Whoever engineered this, it's a little close. Actually, it's easier to pull this other thing, I remember now. Here we go. Okay, you guys can get in. I'll back up and we'll get hooked on and pull over in front of them, get lined up. There's not much to hook to under here. And got them. Now we got to try to make the big sand hill with them. We'll see how that turns out. And try to get them to not run over my rope where we're going. Well, we're about to the sandy spot and it's getting sandy. He needs to go. There we go. Oh, we're gonna make it. This is the hill. Here, if we make this, we got it. Whip. Pull right up here and unhook a strap, and I think they can drive the rest of the way. We'll unhook it and I'll follow you out. Well, we got them towed out to where it's a little solider. We unhooked the strap. We're about back to the parking lot now. We should be done with this one. It wasn't too bad. A little soft sand, but we made it. All right, safe and sound back to the parking lot. Made it. Okay.
Thank you very much.
You guys enjoy the rest of your vacation.
Yes, we will. We will. Bye bye.
We'll see you. Have a good one. Stuff that thing back in the bag. We're out of here. It's gonna be a little bit of a slow trip back home. We got some flat tires there. We aired them down, so that sand wasn't a problem. So we're just gonna run along at like 45. We don't ruin any tires, but recovery was a success. They're happy, we're happy. Now I can go home.